2 columns, 1 pattern, 1 sentence. Danilo runs a small store in Iloilo City. His logbook shows 2 columns, the people who walked in and the day's sale. Do the 2 columns move together? Let's find out. By the end of this video, you can find the pattern between 2 variables and report it in 1 sentence. That is how a logbook becomes a decision your team can act on. Variables and patterns. Each column, like this column 1 and column 2, is a variable, an amount that can change. A pattern is a regular way 2 variables move together. They can either rise together, so both go up, move in opposite directions, one up and one down, or show no connection. One moves and the other doesn't. Now let's take a look back at Danilo's table. Let's take a look at the foot traffic. On Monday, 40, Tuesday, 55, Wednesday, 70, Thursday, 85. The foot traffic rises each day. Now, predict which way will the sales move. The sales rises to from 2,000 to 2,700, 3,400 to 4,100. Each day brings 15 more people and about 700 pesos more in sales. The 2 variables rise together. That is a pattern. A chart shows the same pattern at a glance. Here's a simplified chart based on the table. The foot traffic bars climb and the sales bars climb beside them. Side by side, rising together is a pattern you can point to. The trap: 1 column is not a pattern. Saying the sales went up is wrong if only 1 column was considered. It's just a fact about 1 variable, not a pattern. Always track both columns in the same order. A pattern names how the 2 move together. Say it in 1 sentence. Now Danilo reports the finding. A good summary names both variables, gives the number, and supports a decision. Here's a sample summary from the previous example. When more people enter, sales rise, about 700 pesos per day. Keep the entrance display. Now your turn. Supposing in a wash station, 2 helpers wash 30 baskets. 3 helpers wash 45. Following the pattern, how many baskets can 4 helpers wash? Think. Each helper washes 15 baskets, so 4 helpers wash 60. Now let's recap the words we've learned. A variable is an amount that can change. A pattern is how 2 variables move together. A summary states the finding in 1 sentence with the number. Read both columns in order, find the pattern, then say it in 1 sentence with the number. That is how your logbook backs the next decision at work.